god. Love the Gixxers, bro. Holy smell. Oh.
The race hurt.
That sounded like a V6, bro. That's the one that always does burnouts, bro. Gotta love the Shelbys, bro. I'm low-key wearing the Shelby hoodie right now, too. That was a girl, too, bro. That's honestly surprising. Swear, if someone walks my way again, I'm gonna crash out.
Because I didn't charge my phone.
Look at that one. Where's that cam? Holy! My brother. Oh, this thing's about to rip. That low-key guy just scared me. Oh, it's the Taycan, bro. Oh, bro, this Taycan's about to fucking rip.
See that? It's gone.
God damn.
Yeah. Yo, well, if it's straight, I know that's like a oh my god. So close.
I need to see a TS, bro. Just rip it, bro. Holy.
What?
I need to hear this, bro. Actually. Oh my god. Sonya and I'm crying. Bro. Yo, it's that one dude!
Yo, they're ripping that bitch.
I love AutoWorks, bro.
Bennett.
God damn. Gotta love it, bro. No, because there's that one dude in the way. What is this, bro? God, bro. He's gonna tip over if he turns it too hard. Gotta love it, bro. He had the European plate on too. I was filming that one for the rooms, bro. Oh! God, that scraped hard, man. God, that smell. Yo, I think it's a bike. Yeah, definitely a bike.
I guess the one Gixxer started down the
There's actually some decent cars leaving. We'll leave.
I think you're coming from a different
I love bikes, bro. Is that the fairingless bike? Yeah. Sprayed with fuel. Sonia, brother. Yikes. Wait, what's he about to do? Yeah, Toyota Sienna. Wait. V8 turbo. Tough BMW, bro. RS7, bro. Oh, that's an S4. I looked thought that's the RS7. How did we not see that thing?
I thought I
Brother, Sonyan.
look, you saw that Civic from the back earlier. I didn't think it was.
Arizona.
Lightning, 2 lightnings. Wrangler Ford. Different Wrangler Ford.
I look, you might move to the other side.
Fuck is this? It's rattling the back. Low key did a one-wheel wonder.
Look at, you can... There's a random C5 coming up.
Is bro about to launch it? Yes, he is.
Lift it.
Oh, it's on bags. No, it's because it's on bags, bro.
I love the blade on that car.
Like a Revit. Yo, it's a GTR. Yeah. Oh, I hear revving back there, bro. Bro. Half the fucking car was covered up, bro.
Exactly.
Couldn't see any of it, bro.
All where God. Motherfuckers. That's tough, man. Go ahead, Gavin. Benny, wait. Wait a minute. I'm actually gonna be
Been needing that for a while. I've low-key been needing that for a while, bro.
It's a Del Sol. What is this? I couldn't even catch a clip of that car. These dumbass.
got the right idea, bro.
Yeah, I know.
Sorry, y'all, but
Of the
people
base model Stingray
people keep walking in front of us whenever cars do poles. So low key, you might just be seeing people's heads. Go hit the low wave.
That's probably just a wide body scat pack. A 9-minute.
Oof, I love wagons. So sexy. Where my dad's? Okay, of course. I don't know.
Oh my gosh, the drag car. I swear to God, bro.
Brother! Oh my god.
Actually,
Actually, bro.
that's
Fuck.
a drag car. Come this way.
What the no?
We've seen a GT3 RS come this way.
Yeah, and I didn't even get a clip of it,
Yo,
bro. Of course.
Freaking C9. That's one.
Bro, low key slid the corner. And another C5? Oh my god.
Why is there a skeleton?
What the hell?
Why is there a skeleton in the passenger seat?
Boy just aired out.
Rotor's aired out, bro. Wait a second.
I can see the headlight of a McLaren over there. Yeah, I can see the headlight of a 570. Why is this thing so long? God damn. My boy probably lives in that, bro.
I could live in that game.
Yeah, I could live in that too, bro.
I said Lucky on some drag.
Honestly, yeah. Been needing that.
What? A Fiat.
Third pole of the day, by the way.
Actually, good one too.
Yeah.
Is that another Del Sol? What is this Del Sol?
Yeah.
Why is it more stands?
Oh, it's the McLaren.
Lotus and a McLaren coming.
Bro, I'm starting to feel like sick, bro. Holy shit.
Something. Oh, it's this car that's there now.
My boy is shooting out white smoke, bro. That's, I don't think that's good.
I don't think that's good for a little bit.
It sounds like tire smoke, though. liquid tire in his engine. That's you. Oh my god. Yeah, that sheriff's probably pissed off now. They look, he probably ticked him off.
Spooks me, bro. I'm not expecting. That's scared me.
That probably pissed the sheriff off so bad, bro.
Oh, V. Like the CTS-V.
Yo, show truck.
I love show trucks.
Yeah, me too.
Except for they're just pavement pieces.
Yeah, honestly.
Is he weak?
No, he's got a turbine on the back, like a boat turbine. My arm hurts, bro.
I've been praying for the days like this.
People are finally doing stuff, bro. Yo, bro's over there just sitting over there revving, bro. What the hell?
No, he probably just started it.
It's a pretty crazy
Why is
start.
something like a 3-cylinder?
This thing? One of us should have yelled at him. Oh, let's go. Finally. I think people are starting to actually do stuff. Nice. Loki did. This is what I've been waiting for.
Man, there's a drag car leaving.
Well, what happened?
Sounds so good. Two cammed out highway cars.
What if everyone started revving their shit right now?
It's a mean-ass shot, bro.
It's got a 427 big block. No, the drag car's going the other way.
Of course.
Oh,
That
that's
chop on those cars is low-key.
You can see the drivetrain moving, bro.
We're going 100.
Yeah, honestly.
This is a random cool Ferrari. Bro, I can't wait. I wonder if we're gonna be here when the Rumble beat.
That thing's gonna be loud, I'll say that.